Microblading is a semi-permanent cosmetic tattooing technique used to enhance eyebrows, providing clients with a natural-looking, fuller brow. As the demand for microblading services continues to grow, more and more people are considering starting a microblading business. However, starting a microblading business requires more than just being skilled in the technique itself. In this article, we will discuss the step-by-step process of starting a successful microblading business. Step 1. Conduct market research. Before starting any business, it is important to conduct thorough market research to determine the demand for your services in your area. You can start by researching the microblading businesses in your area and analyzing their services, pricing, and marketing strategies. You can also conduct surveys to find out what your potential clients are looking for in a microblading service. Step 2. Develop a business plan. Once you have conducted market research, you can use this information to develop a business plan. Your business plan should include your target audience, pricing strategy, marketing plan, financial projections, and any other important details related to your business. A well-thought-out business plan will not only help you stay organized but will also help you secure funding if needed. Step 3. Get trained and certified. Microblading is a technique that requires a high level of skill and precision. Therefore, it is important to get trained and certified by a reputable microblading training program. There are many training programs available both online and in person, so be sure to choose a program that offers hands-on training and certification upon completion. Step 4. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Before you can start offering microblading services, you will need to obtain the necessary licenses and permits required by your state or local government. These requirements may vary depending on your location, so be sure to check with your local government to find out what permits and licenses you need to obtain. Step 5. Set up your business. Once you have obtained the necessary licenses and permits, you can start setting up your microblading business. This may include finding a suitable location for your business, purchasing the necessary equipment and supplies, and setting up your website and social media accounts. Step 6. Develop your marketing strategy. Marketing is a critical aspect of any business, and microblading is no exception. Develop a marketing strategy that will help you reach your target audience and stand out from the competition. This may include social media marketing, search engine optimization, email marketing, and traditional marketing techniques such as flyers and brochures. Step 7. Build your clientele. Building a strong clientele is essential to the success of your microblading business. Focus on providing excellent customer service and delivering high-quality results to each and every client. Word-of-mouth referrals can be a powerful marketing tool, so be sure to ask satisfied clients to refer their friends and family to your business. In conclusion, starting a microblading business requires careful planning, training, and dedication. By following these steps, you can set yourself up for success and build a thriving microblading business that meets the needs of your clients and exceeds your financial goals.